Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Uloma, and I'm back today with another video. In this video, from the title, as you already know, I'm going to be showing you guys how I twist my 4C hair. I'm fresh out of wash day and I decided to come here and show you guys how I twist my hair. So I'm done deep conditioning and all that. I'm starting by moisturizing my hair with my, not on my watch, detangle. It's also a moisturizer, so I'm just going to put a little of that to just moisturize my hair, and then I'll go in with this shea butter I bought. I normally use grease, but today I want to use shea butter, so I'm just going to go in with this shea butter. I'm going to rub that in to loosen it up, and then I'll just coat it all over my hair. Right after that, I'll go in with this afro comb. I'm going to section my hair into 3 sections, 2 in front and 1 big one at the back. So I'll start from my ear. The pattern that you section your hair, because it will just make the process easier. So I went behind camera and I properly sectioned it into 3. So I have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 full one at the back. So my goal is to start from the back, and then since this is the part that will be visible to everybody, that's why I had to make like a clean middle center pattern. So I'll just go ahead and moisturize my hair at the back with my hand. I'm going with my shea butter. Going in and add some more shea butter, and then just, it's not a tight twist, it's a loose twist, medium size loose twist. So just twist down, spread the shea butter down to your ends, and then, well, my hair is longer, so it's going to take a bit more time, but trust me, this is an amazing protective style. If you can hear background noise, please, I'm so sorry. I'm in the hostel and I have to shoot this video, and I can't possibly shut everybody up, you know, so just bear with me. And then when you get to the end, you just swirl. I hope you guys can see that. Just swirl, and that is how you do your mini twists. Let's hope you guys can see. I'll do one more. Oh, I forgot to just slightly detangle. I got this new tangle teaser and I love it so much. You can just slightly detangle. My hair is properly detangled already. I just want an extra smooth finish. That's why I'm detangling. One more time. So you divide into two, and then you make the roots tight. Not so tight, please don't pluck off your hair. Just make the roots tight and then you twist. As simple as ABC. Hair butter, and then spread it to your ends. Just comment down below if you have done something like this before. Comment down below if you've learned something new from this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video, as I'm giving quality content. And subscribing is free, like you're not gonna die, your hand is not gonna fall off. So this is what the two twist looks like. and I have just one last piece left. Not that I made my hair overnight. I just got tired and slept, and then I finished the rest this morning. I started yesterday by 7:30 ish, and I was done by 10:20. And then this morning I did this last section. So I'm on the last piece right now. In total it took about, let's say, 3 hours. I think it took about 3 hours to finish everything. That was yesterday plus this morning. And would I do it again? Yes, I would. So because this is an amazing protective style, it is low manipulation, because I'm going to keep this hair for about 2 months, even though I might refresh the front and maybe like these visible areas in between the 2 months. I wash my hair, deep condition in the twist, I'm not taking it out, and then I refresh 1 or 2. That's why this is an amazing protective style. It is low manipulation. I prefer doing it by myself because I can control how much hair I'm losing. I can control the manipulation. I can control the pain, because if you do it in a natural hair salon, this is probably going to be more painful. So I'm done, and this is the end result. This is the end product. I'll go ahead and oil my scalp. My battery is about to die, so I'll just oil my scalp. Put some oil in as much section as I can. It's important to oil your scalp while you're in protective style, because you're basically feeding your follicles. And then after that, just slightly massage and distribute the oil to your strands. And that's it for the twist. How do I look? Comment down below if you think the hairstyle is amazing. Comment down below if you love the twist. I'm just going to turn and show you guys how it looks from the back. Yeah, I think I'm done. So if you gained something from this video, please like, comment down below, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Watch my other videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.